Hello, my dear students and my dear friends. Once again, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. Well, before I start with today's video, let me wish each one of you a very happy and prosperous new year. Well, this is going to be a different video, and by looking at the thumbnail, you must have understood about the topic. But hey, hold on. I know you can find a number of videos on the same topic in YouTube, but the question is, what's so special about it? I've tried to keep it short, sweet, and crisp. And I have taken some points from my own past experiences, and I know they are definitely going to help you out. As you're all writing 5 mark series, hardly there is any time left for you people. So in this crucial moment, we have to revise effectively in a best way possible. So you see, there are many different ways of revising. But at the same time, what works well for you may not be as suitable for someone else. So I've taken 7 different suggestions and you can try some of them out. So here we go. Tip number 1. Don't assume that you know it. By this time you must have encountered a number of topics which you already studied in your previous classes. But it's important to remember that whatever was asked from that particular topic in your previous examination may not be the same to be asked here. Rather, it would be in a more detailed way. Hence, no space for giving low priority to a previously known topic while revising. Tip number 2. Revise continuously. Don't think that revision is something that you do just before the exam. What you can do, keep at least 15 to 20 minutes per day to look back over the work that you have done. And guess what? This will help you to keep all these revision fresh in your mind, and you will find this very helpful when you come to start with your intensive revision. Tip number 3. Understand a topic before learning the same is way helpful than anything else. It has been observed that people learn things much more easily if they recognize the importance of the topic, and hence it will make some sense to that particular purpose. So before you start with learning a topic, make sure you understand it well. If you don't, you ask your friend, you ask your teacher, find some other textbooks in which you can read about it. Well, you can even take the help of an internet by watching some different animated videos. So my point of concern is work at the same thing until you feel that you understand it well, and then you try to learn it. Tip number 4. Make your revision active. Just reading your notes or a textbook will not do any harm, but nor will it do much good. Your brain only puts things into its long-term memory if it thinks that they are important. So you need to convince it that they are. You can do this by making your brain do something with what you're trying to learn. So say if you're trying to learn a comparison between a eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells from a simple table, try to rewrite it in a form of paragraph of text, or you can even convert the same into a pair of annotated diagrams. You will learn much more by constructing your own list of bullet points, flow diagrams, or table than just trying to remember one that has someone else has constructed. Tip number 5, and yes, one of the important. There should be an equal weightage for all the topics. So my point of concern, what I suggest, don't always start your revision in the same place. If you always start at the beginning of the course, then you will probably learn a great deal about the cells, but not very much about the immunity or some other chapters. Hence, make sure that each part of the syllabus gets its equal and fair weightage of your attention and time. Tip number 6. Plan your time effectively. You may find it helpful to draw a revision plan, setting out what you'll revise and when. Even if you don't stick to it, it will give you a framework that you can refer to. And guess what? If you get behind with it, you can rewrite the next parts of the plan to squeeze in the topics you haven't yet covered. And the last tip for the day, that is the tip number 7. Keep your concentration high. It's often said that it's best to revise in short periods, say for 20 minutes or max to max half an hour. Well, this is true for many people. But at the same time, there are others who find it better to settle down for a much longer period of time, say even several hours. and really get into their work and stay concentrated without interruptions. So find out which works best for you. It may be different at different times of the day. Well, that's all from my side, guys. I know I haven't discussed about the subject specific revision strategies, but kept it general for all the board students across. Do let me know your revision plan down below in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share the same with your near and dear one, and I'm sure that you have already subscribed to my channel, haven't you? Take care, guys. See you soon.